In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand and collapse mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira, step by step. This is extremely useful if you're working with complex ideas, sprint planning, documentation, or team workflows, and you want to keep your diagrams clean and easy to understand. Being able to expand and collapse branches in a mind map helps you focus on exactly what matters without overwhelming your viewers. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, start by going to Jira. Log in using your account and make sure you're inside the correct workspace where your project lives. Once you're in Jira, navigate to your project board. This is usually where your team manages tasks, stories, and planning items. From here, click on My Team so you can see the issues and tasks assigned to your project. Next, locate the task where you want to add your Draw.io mind map. Click directly on the task to open its detailed view. Once the task is open, look for the Actions option. This is typically found near the top or within the task menu, depending on your Jira layout. Click on Actions to reveal additional options you can add to the task. From the Actions menu, click on Add Draw.io diagram. This will launch the Draw.io integration directly inside Jira. After the Draw.io window opens, move your cursor to the search field and type mindmap. This helps you quickly filter and find the built-in mind map templates available in Draw.io. Now click on Mind Maps from the search results. You'll see different mind map templates you can start with. Choose the one that best fits your needs and then click on Create. This will open the Draw.io editor with a new mind map diagram ready to edit. Once the mind map is open, click on the central mind map node. From here, you can begin adding branches and sub-branches to structure your ideas. As your mind map grows, you'll notice small expand and collapse icons on the branches. Clicking on Expand will reveal hidden child nodes, allowing you to drill down into more details. Clicking again will collapse those branches, keeping your diagram clean and focused. If you want to remove a node or clean up your mind map, simply select the branch or element you no longer need and click on Delete. This helps you refine your diagram as your ideas evolve. You can continue expanding and collapsing different branches to review or present specific sections of your mind map without distraction. Once you're satisfied with your diagram, click on Submit. This will save the Draw.io diagram directly to your Jira task, making it accessible to your entire team. Anyone viewing the task can now expand and collapse the mind map trees to explore the details at their own pace. And that's it. You now know how to expand and collapse mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. This simple feature can make a huge difference in how clearly you communicate ideas and plans with your team. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with teammates who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.